The Bermuda Triangle, mystery unveiled, shocking discoveries. What is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious region of the Atlantic Ocean, defined by points near Bermuda, Puerto Rico, and southern Florida. For decades, it has fascinated researchers, sailors, and the public alike. Stories of vanished ships and aircraft have given rise to countless myths involving supernatural forces, aliens, and even lost civilizations. But modern science and analytical studies offer a new perspective, one grounded in reason and evidence. Let's explore the leading theories, examine historical facts, and see how science continues to unravel the mysteries surrounding this enigmatic region. How it all began. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle took shape when journalists and adventure seekers began sharing sensational stories of ships and planes that vanished without a trace. By the 1960s, the term Bermuda Triangle had become synonymous with the unknown and the supernatural. But what if behind the myths lie real natural phenomena? That's exactly what this investigation aims to reveal. Key points. The first rumors. Every headline that read "disappeared without a trace" fueled public curiosity. The legendary triangle. Its geometry seems simple, 3 points forming a triangle, but the secrets hidden within are far from ordinary. Myths versus science. Aliens, Atlantis, and magnetic anomalies once dominated the narrative until science began to shine a light on the truth. Modern theories. When science defeats mystery 1. Methane bubbles, the invisible ocean killer. Imagine this: deep-sea methane hydrate deposits suddenly wake up, releasing massive bubbles of gas into the water. What happens then? Water density drops. Even a small methane release can reduce water density enough to make a ship lose buoyancies. If the ocean floor suddenly vanished beneath it. Real evidence. Laboratory experiments with ship models have shown that methane eruptions can capsize even the most stable vessels. Scientific data. Researchers have detected similar methane releases around the world. The Bermuda Triangle is no exception. 2. Hexagonal clouds and storm fronts. Nature's dangerous game. In recent years, scientists discovered something truly unusual above this region: hexagonal cloud formations. Why does this matter? Powerful downdrafts. These cloud patterns can create airbursts strong enough to slam the ocean surface, generating massive waves. Rogue waves. When warm Gulf Stream fronts collide with cold Arctic air masses, they can produce towering waves capable of knocking any vessel off course. Case study. Oceanographer Simon Boxall demonstrated that such wave interactions can reach heights of over 15 meters 50 feet. Meteorological insight. Modern models show how sudden temperature and pressure shifts can turn calm seas into nature's battleground. 3. Magnetic anomalies. When navigation goes haywire, ever wonder what happens to a compass in extreme conditions? Here's what can go wrong. Localized anomalies, tectonic activity, and magnetic mineral deposits can distort Earth's magnetic field, confusing even the most advanced instruments. Historical example: the disappearance of Flight 19, a squadron of Avenger bombers in 1945. Remains one of the most debated cases. Why did their instruments suddenly fail? Scientific view. Studies show that navigation errors in this region occur at rates similar to other parts of the ocean, but combined with severe weather, they can be fatal. Real-life mysteries. Let us revisit 2 of the most famous incidents to see how these theories might fit real events. Example 1. The vanishing of Flight 19. What happened? In 1945, 5 U.S. Navy Avenger bombers on a routine training mission disappeared from radar. Possible causes: methane eruptions, magnetic anomalies, and sudden storms could all have played a part. Scenario: imagine skilled pilots suddenly seeing their instruments go haywire. Panic, confusion, and then silence over the ocean. Scientific reconstruction. Computer simulations show that such combinations of natural forces can overwhelm even the best trained crews. Example 2. The mystery of the USS Cyclops. The story. In 1918, the U.S. Navy ship Cyclops vanished without leaving a trace. Over 300 sailors were never found. Likely explanation: a violent storm, rogue waves, and possible human error likely led to the tragedy. Reconstruction. Picture a massive vessel sailing into an unpredictable sea. Then, in an instant, everything changes. Modern view. Even today, with all our technology, extreme conditions can still overpower human control. Technology, our lifeline at sea. We now live in an age when science can predict the ocean's wildest moods. What modern research offers: satellite monitoring, real-time tracking of temperature, pressure, and atmospheric shifts helps detect anomalies early. Computer modeling. Supercomputers can simulate oceanic processes, forecasting storms and methane releases. Advanced navigation systems. Modern ships can instantly adjust course when detecting irregularities, though even they are not immune to nature's extremes. Takeaways. Technology acts as our shield, reducing risk and providing early warnings. Science replaces myths with measurable facts. Continuous innovation makes the ocean less mysterious and navigation safer every year. Why myths persist and why we love them. Why do people still believe in the supernatural? Myths have always been part of human culture. They turn fear into fascination and give meaning to the unknown. Core factors: emotional power. Stories of disappearances are filled with drama, suspense, and mystery, irresistible elements for our imagination. Cultural impact. The Bermuda Triangle has inspired writers, filmmakers, and artists, becoming a cornerstone of modern mythology. Hidden truths. Every myth contains a grain of reality, real natural phenomena that science continues to uncover. Analysis. We crave magic in our world, but when science reveals the mechanics behind the mystery, the story doesn't lose its wonder, it gains depth. The Bermuda Triangle becomes not just a tale of fear, but a testament to the raw power of nature. Final thoughts and future outlook. Let's sum up our voyage. Rational explanations. From methane eruptions to storm fronts, every mystery has a scientific basis supported by data. The human factor, even with modern tools, errors, and extreme conditions can still lead to disaster. Technology as protection. Satellites, AI, and navigation systems continue to expose myths and make the seas safer. What's next? The future lies in innovation. Scientists are developing early warning systems that could alert crews to methane releases or converging storm fronts minutes before disaster strikes. Imagine a world where no ship sails blindly into danger again. Conclusion: the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the most captivating examples of how nature can be both beautiful and unpredictable. Today, we know that behind the myths lie fascinating scientific truths, and recent discoveries prove that what once seemed supernatural is, in fact, nature's extraordinary complexity at work. In short, methane bubbles, capable of changing water density and sinking ships, hexagonal clouds and rogue waves, natural formations that generate towering, deadly seas, magnetic anomalies, local distortions, confusing navigation systems, modern technology, humanity's best defense against the ocean's unpredictability. Each discovery reminds us that the world is far more intricate and awe-inspiring than legends suggest. Science doesn't destroy the mystery, it deepens our appreciation for it. Every solved riddle becomes an invitation to explore further, to marvel at the forces that shape our planet. Until next time, may your journeys be full of discovery, and may every wave bring new knowledge and inspiration.